What do you think? Will this egg sink or float? Make a guess.
Float.
Mm-hmm.
Sink.
Okay, let's find out. Let's find out if our egg will float or sink. So we have fresh water here and we have fresh water with salt. Now, try here, put the egg in, sinks.
Okay.
That's okay.
Yay! Yeah!
Let's put it in salt water. And the egg floats. So who said the egg will sink? David. So he was right. The egg sinks in fresh water. However, it floats in salt water. Why is that?
Because salt makes it up.
Yes, the salt makes water heavier. So density of the water is increasing, so the egg floats.
Okay. Yay!